Hello. Very nice to see you. I'm your staff. Well, I say I'm all. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. Thank you. Nice to see you.
Hello, sir. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again.
Sorry, I have a permission to proceed with the event. Thank you, sir. Prime Minister for United Kingdom Armed Forces, Mr. Mark Lancaster, Lt.Gen. Tukur Buratai, Principal Staff Officers, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the meeting, and it's an honor this afternoon to be your anchor for this event. I'll speak about the Honourable Minister for Armed Forces of the United Kingdom, Mr. Mark Lancaster, to get acquainted. And so let know that I'll create an indulgence this afternoon to introduce your person. And the Chief of Army Staff is Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai. Seated next to him, to his immediate right, is Major General R.I. Nicholas. Next, you have the Chief of Staff, Headquarters Center Command Operation. Seated next to him is the Chief of Training and Operations Army, Major General D.T. Amoy. I'd like to introduce to you, sir, the Director of Military Intelligence, Major General A.A. Talfa. We also have the Chief of Staff to the Chief of Army Staff, Brigadier General U.S. Mohammed. At this point, may I now...
and he is our lead staff officer responsible for policy in sub-Saharan Africa. Moving...
The Honourable Minister.
This is my first visit to Nigeria because of the excitement at home over the summer. I have been doing lots of travelling, but I will be spending, I think, 17 countries I will have finished, but I will be spending longer in Nigeria than anywhere else, which I hope underlines the importance that we feel that our relationship with you carries with us in the United Kingdom. It has been a relationship long in the making. We have such strong links between our two countries, links which have endured many years of partnership, and I am sure will continue for many, many years to come. And the purpose of my visit, knowing of how we are working together as we seek to counter the terrorist threat that faces not only Nigeria but the whole of the world, we very much have our mutual interests in working together to counter that threat. And whilst we have been involved working and learning very much from the Nigerian army, from your experience on the operational front here, we have so much to learn from each other. And I think it's that mutual learning which I'm so keen to continue and develop that working relationship. So my time here over 3 days is really being spent looking at the work that we are doing together and seeing how we can continue to develop that relationship. It is a relationship that we value. It's a relationship that is incredibly important to us, and we are determined to continue to bear fruit for both countries. Travel.
That's right.
One of our plaques from... in fact, no, it's one of my plaques, the
That's
Minister
right.
of State for the Armed Forces.
That's
there we
right.
go.
That's right.
But
thank you very much. I appreciate it.
and also,
Thank
at
you.
a personal level,
Yeah.
if I may, to both you and the theatre commander, a very personal gift.
Great.
These are to be worn rather than put in your office when you're not wearing uniform.
That's right.
These are a pair of House of Commons cufflinks. These have the crest of our parliamentary crest.
Right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much
Appreciate
indeed.
it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. We're honored to receive you today in the headquarters operation Lafia Dole, the Theatre Command headquarters, popularly known as the Military Command and Control Center. Your visit today is quite historic, and we're happy to receive you in this headquarters. You've rightly remarked we've had a long history of cordial relationship between Nigeria and the United Kingdom. And this is further accelerated with your support in the area of the Operation Lafia Dole. You have your liaison and support team who have been here for almost 2 years. We appreciate their presence, and they've been doing a lot to support the operation here in the Northeast. We understand the challenges across the spectrum of asymmetric warfare. This, as you rightly equally observed, is a global phenomenon. We must work in synergy to ensure that the terrorism that has been affecting not only here in Nigeria and within the sub-region, but indeed globally. It is a collective responsibility to fight terrorism. Requires a lot of cooperation, and I want to state here that we've really enjoyed the cooperation and support of the United Kingdom in our efforts to get the Boko Haram terrorists out of our way. To present this token to commemorate our visit here.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Now.
And,
Anytime you're in Abuja, yes, I definitely know. I think our comms